Good day, everyone. Today, we will explore three important concepts: aesthetics, creativity in education, and creative teaching strategies. These concepts help us understand how beauty, creativity, and innovation can make learning more meaningful and engaging and effective. Let's begin with our first topic: aesthetics. Aesthetics refers to beauty, style, and visual appeal. As an adjective, it describes something that is pleasing to look at. As a noun, it refers to a particular style or set of ideas that guide art, design, fashion, and other creative fields in philosophy. Aesthetics help us understand why people find certain things beautiful and how we perceive harmony and balance. Aesthetics is important because it enhances communication, influences our emotions, boosts creativity, strengthens identity, and allows people to express their personality. A well designed object, space, or visual presentation can communicate messages clearly and leave a lasting impression. We can see aesthetics in many aspects of everyday life. In interior design, a minimalist space creates a calm and organized environment. In fashion, different styles help people express their personality. In website design, aesthetics improve user experience and engagement in art. Aesthetics helps communicate emotions, ideas, and experiences, just like music. Music has different genres. Aesthetics also has different styles. These styles represent various preferences, personalities, and creative expressions. Some common aesthetic styles include minimalist, which focuses on simplicity and clean lines, bohemian, which is colorful and artistic, vintage, inspired by design from the past, modern, which emphasizes simplicity and functionality, rustic, which uses natural materials and textures, gothic, known for its dark and dramatic appearance, and urban or street style, which is inspired by city culture and contemporary trends. When creating designs, it is important to avoid common mistakes. Some people use too many colors. So when creating designs, it is important to avoid common mistakes. Some people use too many colors, combine styles that do not match, or focus too much on appearance rather than purpose. Remember that effective aesthetic should be both visually appealing and functional. Now that we understand aesthetics, let us move on to our next topic, which is the creative teaching strategies. Creative teaching strategies are innovative approaches to teaching that go beyond traditional lectures, memorizations, and textbook based instruction. These strategies aim to make learning more engaging, enjoyable, and meaningful. They encourage students to think critically, collaborate with others, and become active participants in the learning process. However, creative teaching is not simply about doing something different. Effective creative strategies must have a clear purpose and and, con- and contribute to meaningful learning. There are several characteristics of effective creative teaching strategies. First is hands-on engagement, where students actively participate in activities such as experiments, projects, and problem-solving tasks. Second is real-life connection, where lessons are linked to real-world situations to make learning more relevant. Third is collaboration, where students learn through teamwork and shared experience. Finally, finally, effective strategies are adaptable, meaning they can address different learning styles, whether visual, auditory, or kinesthetic. One excellent example of a creative teaching strategy is the flipped classroom. In this approach, students study lessons at home through videos or reading materials. Then, classroom time is used for discussions, collaborative activities, and problem solving tasks. And this allows students to become more active and engaged learners. Let us now discuss the importance of creativity in education. So, many traditional teaching methods focus heavily on lectures and memorizations, and worksheets. While these methods can be useful, research shows that students often learn more effectively when creativity is incorporated in the learning process. Creativity is not limited to arts and crafts. It involves thinking differently, generating new ideas, solving problems, and finding innovative solutions. So by encouraging creativity, teachers help students become more confident, adaptable, and prepared for future challenges. So what does creativity in education look like in practice? One example is the project-based learning, or PBL. Instead of simply reading information from a textbook, students complete meaningful projects that demonstrates their understanding. For example, students studying history might create a mock trial of Julius Caesar or design a museum exhibit about ancient civilizations. So, through these projects, students develop critical thinking, teamwork, and communication skills. Another example is debates with a twist. So, in this activity, students debate while taking on the roles of lit- literary characters or historical figures. This encourages them to understand different perspectives and develop empathy, communication skills, and critical thinking. And a third example is cross-disciplinary learning. This approach combines different subjects to create a richer learning experience. For instance, in biology lesson, students may draw and label cells instead of completing a traditional worksheet. This combines science and art, making the lesson more engaging and memorable. These examples demonstrates how creativity can transform learning from a passive experience into an active and meaningful journey. So, as future educators, it is important to remember that effective teaching is not only about delivering information. It is about creating opportunities for students to explore, discover, collaborate, and think creatively by integrating aesthetics, creativity, and innovative teaching strategies. We can create learning environments that inspire students to reach their full potential. And that concludes our discussions on aesthetics, creativity in education, and creative teaching strategies. Just always remember, learning becomes more meaningful when we combine knowledge, creativity, and effective communication. So that's all. Thank you for listening, and may we continue to inspire creativity in every learning experience. Have a great day, everyone.
This has been Teacher Anna. So always remember, Creativity lives in everyone, and seeing and thinking critically helps you make better choice every day. Thank you for watching and see you next time.